Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes, children. We have completed in the last video the poem A Chubby Little Snowman. So let me read the poem once and then we will go with the next topic in English. You all can open page number 12 in your textbooks. Here, a chubby little snowman. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a rabbit, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose, nibble, nibble, crunch. Let me read once, children, one more time. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a rabbit. What do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose, nibble, nibble, crunch. So this was the small poem that we have already completed yesterday. Today I am here with a new lesson for you people, that is Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. So you all can open page number 14 into your textbooks. Page number 14, and the name of the lesson is Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. That is lesson number 7. So here. So children, you all can start underlining the words whichever I write on the board when I explain you people. So there were two friends and the name of the two friends was, one was Mr. Boone and the another person's name was Mr. Goon. So one day they met in the market, on the street. They were moving on the street. They met each other. And then one of the friend was not hearing properly. So this is the story. How do they conversion? How do they converse each other when they met? And what happened? Because he was unable to listen properly. One of the friend was unable to listen properly. And what was the communication among them? We are going to study today. Ibru ಗೆಳೆಯರಿದ್ರು. ಒಬ್ಬನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಿದ್ರು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬೂನ್. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಗೋನ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದಿನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಇಬ್ರು ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. Then what happens? They start communicating with each other. ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಕಿವಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. One of the friend was not able to hear what he is talking properly. Whatever he used to say something different. So how did they communicate and what happened at last? We are going to study in this lesson today. So here you all can open page number 14 in your textbook, and name of the lesson is what? Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. Mr. Boone is name of one friend and another friend's name is what? Mr. Goon. So here let us start the story now. This is the story of two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. See what happens one day when they met. Yes. So there were two friends and the name of the friend is what? Mr. Boone. First one was who? Mr. Boone. And second one is what? Mr. Boone. These are the two friends. First one is who? Mr. Boone. Second one is who? Mr. Goon. So, this is the story of two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. See what happens one day when they met. So, both of them, one day, both of them, they met in the street. Met means what? Beti they meet. So, this meet, when they meet, one Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon, they were going on the road. Now, this is the road children. Here Mr. Boone is coming and here Mr. Goon is coming. Yes? So, there were two friends and this is the street. They were moving on the street. So, what happened when they met each other? We will learn in this story. Obrukobru road ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಭೇಟಿ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon, who cannot hear very well. This Mr. Boone, the another person, Mr. Goon, and he is Mr. Boone. So, this Mr. Boone was not hearing properly. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಕಿವಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. He used to not hear properly. Setting a street means both of them they were moving on the street. Both of them they were going on the street. Mr. Boone is going to the market with a bag. He sees Mr. Goon. So, this Mr. Boone, he was moving on the road with a bag in his hand. What he was having? He was having a bag in his hand. Okay, nenittu ಒಂದು bag ittu. So, he was holding one bag in his hand. Then what happens? He will see Mr. Goon on the street. He sees Mr. Goon. Who sees Mr. Goon? He sees Mr. Goon on the roadside. Yes? And here what happens, children? Here you can see. Mr. Goon was moving on the road with a bag in his hand. He meets Mr. Goon. So what happens? Mr. Goon, how are you, Mr. Goon? See, what is Mr. Goon will ask? How are you, Mr. Goon? ಇವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬೂನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? How are you? ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, Mr. Goon? Then Mr. Goon will tell, Mr. Goon, oh, Mr. Boone, how are you? Then what this way he will tell? Oh, Mr. Boone, how are you? What are you saying? Cows are few. Where are the cows? See, first he will ask, oh, Mr. Boone, how are you? Then this person will ask him, what are you saying? Cows are few. Where are the cows? This Mr. Boone will tell to Mr. Boone, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಎಲ್ಲದವಿಲ್ಲ ಆಕಳುಗಳು? Where are the cows? Where are the cows? Where cows are few. Where are the few cows? What are you saying? This Mr. Boone will ask to Mr. Boone. But what he had asked, ಅವನು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ? ಬರೀ ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿದ. ಬಟ್ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಕಿವಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ ಬಂತು? Where are the cows? Cows are few. Where are the cows? Then Mr. Boone will shouting, I did not say cows are few. I said, how are you? See. Then what this Mr. Boone will do? He will go closer to his ear. Yes? This Mr. Boone So what this Mr. Boone will do? Mr. Boone, and this is Mr. Boone. He will go closer to his ear and he will say, shouting, what he will say? I did not say cows are few. I said, how are you? He will say, I did not ask you, cows are few. I said, how are you? Then Mr. Boone will say, Mr. Boone, I am fine, but why are you shouting in my ear? See, when he met first, he asked Aram, say, how are you? Then he was not able to hear properly. Then he felt that cows are few. Then he asked, where are the cows? Why are you asking? Then Mr. Boone, he went into his ears. I did not ask, cows are few. I asked, how are you? Then he is saying for him now, I am fine, but why are you shouting in my ear? See, what he will tell? Mr. Boone will tell to Mr. Boone, I am fine, ನಾನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, but ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕಿರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? Why are you shouting so loudly in my ear? Where are you taking this bag? Then he will ask to Mr. Boone, where are you taking this bag? Where are you taking this bag? Then again Mr. Boone will tell, I am going to the market to buy some rice. Then what Mr. Boone will tell? I am going to the market to buy some rice. Then again, what this Mr. Again he ಮತ್ತೋನಿಗೆ ಕಿವಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ತಪ್ಪೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾನ. What he will tell? I am going to market to bring some rice. What is rice, children? Rice, after chapati, bhaji, you eat rice and dal na ಅನ್ನ ತಿಂತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬೂನ್ ಏನು ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ? ರೈಸ್ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸಿತು. ಅದೇನು? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬೂನ್, mice? Why do you want mice in your house? They will nibble at everything. See. Again, this Mr. Boone, he did not hear properly. Again he said, why you want mice? Mice andre what? Ili marigalu, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇಲಿಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? mice ಅಂತ. So Mr. Boone is asking Mr. Boone, why you want mice? Why you want mice in your house? They will nibble at everything. So this Mr. Boone is telling to Mr. Boone, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಲಿಮರಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಮಾನನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತುಂಡು ತುಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಲ್ತದೆ. Why do you want so much of mice? They will nibble all the things. Mr. Boone, I said rice, not mice. What he will tell? Mr. Boone will tell, I said rice, not mice. ನಾನು ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, mice ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. Then what happens? Mr. Boone, oh, ice. Why are you going to buy ice? Getting angry, Mr. Boone, please excuse me, I must go now. I have to go to the market. So see what happens. Again, Mr. Boone, he got angry and he said that Mr. Boone said, oh ice, why are you going to buy ice? Then again he will tell, Mr. Boone said, I am buying rice, not mice. But again he heard it mistake. ಮತ್ತು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, why you want to buy ice? Ice ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Ice. Rice, mice, ice. What is this ice, children? Ice means what? Ice andre barf. So Mr. Boone is asking to Mr. Boone, why you want ice? Then Mr. Boone, he got angry. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇವನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪೇ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತಪ್ಪೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Then he will tell, getting angry. He got more angry. Angry means sick. Who got angry? Mr. Boone got angry. Then he said, Mr. Boone, please excuse me. I must go now. I have to go to the market. Then this Mr. Boone, he got angry. ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. Then he will tell in angry, please excuse me. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. Please excuse me. I must go now. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಹೊರಡಬೇಕು. I must go now. I have to go to the market. What Mr. Boone will tell? Now I have to go to the market. Please excuse me. Then again Mr. Boone will tell, what? You have to bring a basket? See, again he will tell, basket. What? You have to bring the basket. He is telling, excuse me, I have to go to the market. But what Mr. Boone heard? Basket. Mr. Boone heard that basket. Then nibble means the things. But still Mr. Boone, he heard basket. What? You have to buy a basket now. Why do you need a basket? See, again he is asking, why do you need basket? Why are you buying the basket now? ಈಗ ನೀನು basket ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? Basket ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ? Mr. Boone, oh my God, I am going, starts running. Then what Mr. Boone will do? Whatever I am talking, he is taking it as another word. He is mistaking me. Maybe he is not listening me properly. So now I am fed up of explaining him these things. So I will leave now. So Mr. Boone, he started running from that place. Mr. Boone, please wait. They both run out. Then Mr. Boone is telling, when Mr. Boone started running, then Mr. Boone is telling, wait. And both of them, Mr. Boone, please wait. Then both of them started running. So this was the small story about Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. Mr. Boone was not able to, Mr. Boone was very correct. Mr. Boone was not able to hear properly. So first Mr. Boone said that, what he said as he met, ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಭೇಟಿ ಆದಾಗ ನೀವೇನಂತೆ, ಹಾಯ್ ಹೆಲೋ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎದುರು ಕಡೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾನೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೈನ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. But here Mr. Boone, he did not hear properly. What he replied to Mr. Boone? He said, see, two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon, who cannot hear very well. This Mr. Goon, he was not able to hear very well. And both of them, they were moving on the street, on the road. Then Mr. Boone is going to the market with a bag. So this Mr. Boone, he was having a bag in his hand and he was going to the market. Then he sees Mr. Goon and he says, Mr. Boone will ask, how are you? Mr. Boone will ask to Mr. Goon, how are you? Then, how are you, Mr. Goon? Then Mr. Boone will tell, oh, Mr. Boone, how are you? Then he will ask. He did not say, I am fine. He said that, how are you? What are you saying? Cows are few. Where are the cows? Then this Mr. Boone said to Mr. Goon, what are you saying? Cows are few. Where are the cows. Then again Mr. Goon will tell, shouting, I did not say cows are few. I said, how are you? Then Mr. Goon will tell, I did not say cows are few. I said, how are you? Then again Mr. Goon will tell to Mr. Boon, I am fine. What he will tell? I am fine. But why are you shouting in my ear? Then this Mr. Boon will tell, why are you shouting in my ear? Where are you taking this bag? Then Mr. Boon will ask to Mr. Boon, where are you taking this bag? Mr. Boon, I am going to the market to buy some rice. And what this Mr. Boon will tell? Boon will tell, I am going to the market to buy some rice. Then Mr. Boon will tell, mice, why do you want mice in your home? See, this Mr. Boon, he did not heard rice, he heard mice. Then he is asking Mr. Boon, why do you want mice in your house? They will nibble at everything. Whatever things you keep in the home, the mice will come and nibble the things. Why do you want mice in your home? Who said this? Mr. Goon. To whom? To Mr. Boon. Then again Mr. Boon will tell, I said rice, not mice. Then what Mr. Boon will tell? I said rice, not mice. Then Mr. Boon will tell, oh, ice. You are going to buy ice. Again Mr. Boon is not hearing properly. He said rice, but he is listening ice. Then this Mr. Boon will ask Mr. Boon, why are you buying ice? Then Mr. Boon, he got angry. Getting angry, Mr. Boon, please excuse me. I must go now. I have to go to the market. Then this Mr. Boon, he got angry and he said, please excuse me. Now I have to go to the market. Then Mr. Boon will say, what? You have to bring a basket. Again he heard mistake. He said, you want to get a basket? Now, why do you need a basket? Then he will say, now, why do you need a basket? Mr. Boon, oh my God, I am going. Then Mr. Boon, he starts running. How many times I am telling rice, but he is hearing something different and he is talking something different. Now I am fed up. So he started running. Mr. Boon, please wait. They both run out. Then Mr. Boon, he said to Mr. Boon, please wait. But he did not listen and both of them, they started running. So here, these are some of the words, that is Mr. Boon. B-O-O-N, Boon. B-O-O-N, Boon. Mr. Goon. G-O-O-N, Goon. G-O-O-N, Goon. M-E-E-T, meat. M-E-E-T, meat. R-I-C-E, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. M-I-C-E, mice. M-I-C-E, mice. I-C-E, ice. I-C-E, ice. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. N-I-B-B-L-E, nibble. M-I-B-B-L-E, nibble. So these are the important words in this lesson which you have to by heart. And now once I will read this lesson, you keep the finger when I am reading the lesson. Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. This is the story of two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. See what happens one day when they meet. Two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon, who cannot hear very well. Setting a street. Mr. Boone is going to the market with a bag. He sees Mr. Goon. Mr. Boone, how are you? Mr. Goon. Mr. Goon, oh, Mr. Boone, how are you? What are you saying? Cows are few. Where are the cows? Mr. Boone, shouting, I did not say cows are few. I said, how are you? Mr. Goon, I'm fine, but why are you shouting in my ear? Where are you taking this bag? Mr. Boone, I'm going to the market to buy some rice. Mr. Goon, mice? Why do you want mice in your house? They will nibble at everything. Mr. Boone, I said rice, not mice. Mr. Goon, oh, ice. Why are you going to buy ice? Mr. Boone, getting angry. Mr. Goon, please excuse me. I must go now. I have to go to the market. Mr. Goon, what? You have to bring a basket? Now, why do you need a basket? Mr. Boone, oh my God, I am going, starts running. Mr. Goon, Mr. Boone, please wait. They both run out. So this was a short story that I explained you people. Now let us see the video related to this lesson. Come children.
This is the story of two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. See what happens one day when they meet. Two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon, who cannot hear very well, setting a street. Mr. Boone is going to the market with a bag. He sees Mr. Goon. Mr. Boone says,
How are you, Mr. Goon?
Mr. Goon says,
Oh, Mr. Boone, how are you? What are you saying? Cows are few? Where are the cows?
Mr. Boone shouted,
I did not say cows are few. I said, how are you?
Mr. Goon says,
I am fine. But why are you shouting in my ear? Where are you taking this bag?
Mr. Boone says,
I am going to the market to buy some rice.
Mr. Goon says,
Mice? Why do you want mice in your house? They will nibble at everything.
Mr. Boone says,
I said rice, not mice.
Mr. Boone says,
Oh, ice? You are going to buy ice?
Mr. Boone says, getting angry.
Mr. Goon, please excuse me. I must go now. I have to go to the market.
Mr. Boone says,
What? You have to bring a basket? Now, why do you need a basket?
Mr. Boone says,
Oh my God, I am going.
starts running. Mr. Boone says,
Mr. Boone, please wait.
they both run out.
So here children, you have seen the video of this lesson, of this story. How did Mr. Boone and Mr. Gould met each other and what communication they had among themselves, and how did Mr. Boone tolerated the words from Mr. Gould. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನೊಂದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, now your homework is you have to read this lesson 4 times. Read the lesson 4 times. How many times you have to read? 4 times. And just read down these words. Don't write anything till I send the work in your book, children. Okay, children? Till then, have a great day and thank you.